At one point, I was just like you guys. I was broke or in university working a dead end job that I did not want to work. The difference is I stuck to this game. I changed my life around. Okay? I was in that exact same position where I had no hope. 2 years I traded without any results. I gave to the market and the market never looked back. But then I developed a strategy. This strategy developed around one candle. You guys know this by now, an expansion candle. This one strategy allowed me to quit that job. It allowed me to drop out of university with confidence, knowing that I would be able to continue trading and continue making money. In this video, I will teach you exactly what candle and how we trade it. Okay, so you can go from that position that you're in now into a position of prosperity, a position where you are winning and able to take consistent profits out of the market. Let's not waste any time and get into what I'm talking about. What is the criteria for this candle to present itself? The criteria is we must have traded into a higher time frame key level, and a higher time frame key level is not a key level without premium and discount. Take a look on the gold daily chart. Low to high, discount and a premium. Okay, anything below 50% is obviously a discount. What happened here? We traded into a higher time frame key level over at this point, being the fair value gap. We traded into that level and showed rejection. So look what the candle here did. We took previous day low into the full fill of this fair value gap. This low got taken on the futures chart as well. So we had a stop run, we had a key level in a discount. That sets up the framework for you guys to trade one candle. And it is why I repeat in my videos, why it's my whole thing, where I talk about having one candle to trade. Because one candle is ready for expansion. After all of this has happened, this candle and this candle are expansion candles. So what did we do down here that let us know we can get into this, as it will be a expansion candle? Let me dive into the lower time frame and show you guys exactly what I outlined to my group beforehand. The guys in the Discord will vouch for this. I said I want to see higher prices. I took a long myself on my FTMO accounts up to here, and this is the exact reason I'm able to not work a 9 to 5. It's the exact reason trading makes me money, because I know my setup and I know the logic behind it. Okay, let's go to the 15-minute time frame, right? This is previous day low down here. The previous day low that got raided into the higher time frame key level, which is obviously the daily fair value gap. What are we looking for to confirm that the candle will be an expansion candle after a previous day low run? What are we looking for? We're looking for displacement. I've said this so many times in so many videos. Displacement is the algorithm telling you, it is the algorithm flashing to you that the market wants to go in a certain direction, which is obviously up for us. Now this was a parabolic price move up that we caught inside the Discord. The Discord is currently shut, but you guys can trade with me in the Telegram. Okay, now previous day low and then we displace. That is displacement, because there's multiple fair value gaps created as we go up. I'm dropping all of this for free. This is free value for you guys. There is multiple fair value gap which confirms displacement in that market. Anything below here is just manipulation to go higher. People are selling down here. You guys need to remember that. They see two big candles here. Okay, two large candles down. Everyone thinks when we tap that low, they're selling again. Then we break their backs to the upside, come back down, sweep out session liquidity. Again, this is taught in my free course, right? Session liquidity. We raid session liquidity and expand higher. At this point here, I was in. When we pulled back down here, I took a position on this order block. So my position was when we returned back down after the reaccumulation. Then I took a 124. So I took full profits at a random level? No, at these highs here, because this is the most obvious draw in liquidity. High, lower high, lower high. I thought this is the most obvious draw in liquidity. This is where I want to take profits. And you can see the TP got smashed there. Now, was I trading something random? No. Obviously, I was trading that expansion candles I tell you guys about all of the time. I'm always going on about expansion candles. You guys are probably sick of it by now, but you signed up for it. This is what I trade. Other mentors are out here switching strategy all of the time, and you have to ask why. Because what they've got doesn't work. It's not developed by statistics. It's not developed by someone who knows what they're doing. What I have developed here is backed by statistics, years of data on this model that I've collected. Okay, so when we raid this low and we get the displacement, I know I've seen this a million times before. I've seen this thousands of times, guys. I've got thousands of examples in my notes and inside my group where I keep examples, thousands of examples, of this happening. So when it pulls back, I'm not scared to enter because I've got examples and I've managed risk. This is what mentors don't dive into because they don't care about your results. I care about my clients' results. People come to me to better their trading because I care. I give actual energy into this. You can tell by how passionately I speak in my videos. I give actual energy into this because I was in your position. Like I said at the start of the video, I was broke. Okay, I was in university. I didn't really have any direction, found trading, and the market gave nothing back to me for too long. Most would have quit, but I stuck with it. I stuck with it and eventually it paid off because I found a strategy and now I only trade that strategy, which is why you only hear me talk about one candle. So after all of this, was this a random level of reaccumulation? Now the guys who are more advanced, okay, will know what I'm talking about. Smart money reversal, low risk buy, accumulation, reaccumulation. There are three main stages of accumulation in a buy model, or three main stages of distribution in a sell model. The third stage, and people refer to it as the second stage because we have a low risk buy or a low risk sell. The second stage, the third actual stage, but is referred to as the second stage. 1, 2, 3. This stage here is the fastest and most parabolic move the market will ever give you. It is the silver bullet. It is the kryptonite. It's what you are looking for. I don't really dive into it because it is very advanced and inside of one candle it appears, but it has to be a specific candle and there are very specific conditions for that to occur. Okay. Now, I don't want to give too much away. I don't want to, flood your brain with information. I want you guys to focus on why this candle was going to be an expansion candle and why this one was going to be an expansion candle. I outlined that for you. My whole model, years of work, I just give to you. So you guys need to take notes on this and tag me in any trade you take. Please do. And by the way, guys, now that you've made it this far into the video, quick call to action. I just want you guys to head over to the Instagram. I have started up the Instagram. I'm back posting on there, showing a bit more behind the scenes, things like that. So if you are interested in my content and you like what I do, please head over there and give me a follow. Keep up to date with real life stuff and behind the scenes of what actual trading looks like. There's a lot of mentors out here that don't show you the wins and losses. I'm out here showing you the reality of trading because I actually make money here. So I'm able to show you the losses because I know next month or the month after I'm going to make money because it's happened over and over again, right? As usual, find all my socials in the description and I've actually started a waitlist. So along with the Instagram, I've started a waitlist. I'm dropping something I've never dropped before. I'm teaching you guys the ins and outs of one candle. I'm only taking a few people there though. Only a few people because I don't want anything to get leaked. This is really advanced stuff. It's really stuff that will make you money. Stuff that makes me money and a couple others I've mentored in the past. This is stuff I keep from the public, right? So I'm sure you guys understand I can only take a few people on. So go over there, join the waitlist. All you need to do is put your email in and I will email you back. I will review your applications individually. So I'm going through hundreds and thousands of applications to join this. I will review yours individually as well. It just takes time for me to get that. So I'm sure you guys understand. Go ahead and send that over. Join the waitlist now. And you may be able to learn from me directly. Direct access to me. If you did enjoy the video, please do drop a like. Remember to check out those links I gave you. As always, Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.